Hi, it's Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and welcome to Moments of Joy, our weekly demo series where we give you the best tips and tricks to get the most out of travel joy. How are you doing this week, Matt?
Well, Caitlin, as usual, things are busy here at TravelJoy headquarters. Yesterday, we just announced all of the workshop webinars for this month, including a new one where the topic is Magic Features, which introduces you to all of the new ways we're integrating AI throughout the platform to make it easier for you to spend your time focusing on clients and not have to do any of that busy work that bogs you down. And one of those is Magic Importer for Forms.
That's right, Matt. You can take a form you've created outside of TravelJoy and easily recreate it in TravelJoy using Magic Importer. Let me show you how. All right, so we're going to start by creating a new template within our Form Templates tab. Head up to that top right corner and select Add Template. From here, we're going to be looking for the Magic Importer tool just below the settings at the top of the screen. Now you can upload a file, so if you have a screenshot or a PDF of the form you'd like to use, you can go ahead and do so using that upload file, or you can import from a URL. So I'm going to be using a Google form to bring in this form, so I'm going to just take that Google form URL, paste it into that box, port it, and Magic Importer will start building that form for me. Perfect. Now Magic Importer is going to tell me what it was able to import from that form, and we have a complete form down below.
Thank you so much, Caitlin. That makes it so much easier for you to move your existing forms onto TravelJoy so that all of your client and trip information is in sync and in one place. Now, that workshop I mentioned, Magic Features, will be next Thursday. Caitlin, what is our workshop webinar for this Thursday?
We're going to be talking about payments. So if you're interested in seeing how payments work on TravelJoy, whether that's accepting credit card authorizations or direct payments, we highly recommend attending. The link to register will be in the description below.
We hope to see so many of you at that workshop webinar on Thursday. That is it for Moments of Joy this week. We will see you next Wednesday.
Bye.